In this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to see if a owner owns multiple properties in First American. So what we're going to go ahead and do is enter our county that we're looking for the property. In this case, we're going to go to Alameda County. We're going to enter the owner's last name and then first name and hit search. On the right side of the screen, you're going to basically see that John H. Conway was a person that we were looking for, and he only owns one property because this is the only one that came up. Okay, let's go ahead and search another. We'll go to Contra Costa, and we'll enter car, and we'll enter Rufus. Okay, so on this time, you can see that 3 properties showed up for Rufus Carr. And what it looks like is Rufus owns 3 properties. He owns one at 1720 Fifth Street, Richmond, 523 Verde, and 525 Verde. So you're going to see that Rufus owns multiple properties here, okay? Anytime you go ahead and search someone, if they own multiple properties, the amount of properties, if they own multiple, will show up, okay? Let's go ahead and try a few more. Let's go to Solano. We'll go to Brown and then enter Willie. Willie A. Brown shows up. Looks like he only owns one property because this is the only one that popped up right away. Let's go ahead and try one more. Owner Tellus. Oops, let's actually go ahead and enter the county first. Alameda. Go to Tellus. We'll go to Walter. Okay, so as you can see, Walter Tellus owns multiple properties here. Okay, so you're going to see that it says Walter Tellus without a middle initial, and you're going to see that it says Walter P. Tellus with a middle initial. Okay, so this is important when we're looking up a property. Sometimes owners don't always sign it the exact same every single time, which is why Walter Tellus could own this property and he could own this property. Okay, so it's very important when you're in TLO looking at the owner that you're seeing what their middle initial or middle name is, so you can go ahead and match it on First American. Because if this Walter's middle name was, Andrew, it would be Walter Andrew Tellus, which would be different from this Walter P. Tellus. So it's very important when you're looking at the owner's information to really try to figure out what their middle name is to see if they actually do own multiple properties. In this case, it looks like Walter Tellus owns multiple properties either way. But yeah, that's how it would go ahead and pop up. It says, 67 properties found under these names. So like I said, that's how you go ahead and see if a homeowner owns multiple properties through First American. And it's super, super important that when we are on any of our data set checking systems that we do look to see if that homeowner does have a middle name. And you can do that through data providers like TLO. You can go ahead and scan Walter's name into TLO along with his address. It will pop up and tell you his middle name or middle initial, and then you can back check it through First American to see if they own multiple properties. So that's how you go ahead and look up if a homeowner owns multiple properties in First American.